Hi everyone. Now I am in cab and I wake up early in the morning. Now it's 3 o'clock and I have flight at 6 o'clock and I feel little bit sleepy, but it's okay. I'll take a nap in plan. I had flight from Terminal 3 and my phone dropped. Sorry. So it was from Delhi to Durgapur and now we are going. We have reached to airport. Now I am taking entry. So I entered airport. After entering airport, you will see flight information desk. So here you can see your flight details, like when your check-in will start and which queue you have to go. You will see everything. So check this. Now I am in fast forward queue. This is called check-in queue, and so here you will get your boarding pass. After taking your boarding pass, you will have to go for security check. This is international departure passenger who are traveling one country to another country, and this is international security checking queue. Checking done. Now going for security check to domestic departure. This is the domestic departure. This is how it looks like, and now I'll put a cinematic shot of security check. So my checking and security checking is done. So first step is checking, second step is security checking, and third step is boarding. So now I am going to my gate number 52. From there I will board.
حبيبي me don't run behind girls, me only drift.
Now everything is done. Checking, boarding, security checking. Now I am heading towards the aircraft. It's been so long, and I am showing you the beautiful view of. So I am showing you the beautiful view. This how it looks like, and this is our plane, Indigo. How beautiful, isn't it? Now I am inside the aircraft. So I was lucky in two ways. First, that I got the window seat, and second, there was nobody sitting besides me. So I had all the liberty to shoot my videos, enjoy the movies or whatever, and sit as relaxed as I could. This flight will take 1.5 hours. After I'll be in Durgapur. So they are taking this flight to the runway. As you can see the beautiful sunrise. I am starving. I had not eaten before, so I was very hungry. Once this plane will take off, I will order some food.
नीचे आ जाएं। आप अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठे रहें और ऑक्सीजन का प्रवाह शुरू करने के लिए ऐसे अपनी ओर खींचें और नाक और मुंह ढककर सांस लेते रहें। ऑक्सीजन मास्क पहनने से पहले अपना फेस मास्क.
Remember to find joy in the little moments, the moments in between the big ones, the little things that go unnoticed and get overshadowed by the big ones. Those little things that we take for granted, that make you smile every single day, that warm your heart, the little things that actually keep you going day in, day out. Collect those little moments and see your cup start to overflow.
We were in flight, and one guy, they argue with cabin crew, and they said some bad things. And guys, don't be so rude. So on a serious note, don't be so rude. Be sensitive, be kind, be humble, because they are sometimes they operating three or four flight per day, And be sensitive with people. You never know na how much unspoken pain they are carrying in their broken heart.
Some people treat us badly, not because we deserve to be treated badly or because there is something wrong with us. In fact, it's because that's the only way they feel good about themselves. They really need us to talk to them with kindness, making them realize that they are better than that. So be kind to them. They really need it from us.
Follow through for yourself, show up for yourself, root for yourself, day in, day out. It's not those one-off moments, it's consistency that builds your trust in you, your confidence in you. Commit to yourself.
I have reached to Durgapur. I am out of the aircraft and take a lot of care. Bye bye. If you have any question, you can tell us in comment section.